Welcome this video. The best plants for pots outside your front door. Your front door is the first impression visitor get of your home, and portrait plants can instead enhance the cub appear. Whether you have a strong porch or a smart entrance away, add a bulb come plants to be put by the door, create a welcome ambience. However, choose the right plants for this spot can be trick. You want something that look beauty. Your room range look low main interest and sub the macroing outside your outdoor. We explored some of the best plants for pots outside your front yard. Consider various pot outside flower plants if you perfect and color flower plants add brightness and warmth to your entrance away. Seasoning flower and the functional away to keep your door step vibrant. Here are some beautiful tropical plants for a more explored look. Tropical plants to add lush and door to be your doorstep, then often have vibrant level to sticky flower which can create an interior focal point. Consider that other burn of paradise now for its steam burn like other and block beauty. The bird of paradise in a show other if resisting full sunlight and day for space, so it's perfect from a long plant in the bright. Consider if well paradise flower inside the range for sun create a tropical fever. If you have stood interest away, can add a lush tropical vibrant. Those plants are now for their large dream level and are resisting low main interest, make them perfect for add a both look with main care. If you look for something that cropping is a fantastic other if level and trophy flower create dream modern look plants in full sun and can trapping water make theme idea for host climax. Hub beauty and functional. If you were want something both decoration and functional pots here by your first door or growing idea. If only do then add growing, but you also have fresh hub for look within easy research. Here are some practical other almost hub theme can sway the side of a porch creating love effect if have tiny level and mute flower and look resisting if in full sun with minimize water need. If you love to cook, have a pot for basic by the front door is both beauty and principle. Basic need resisting water and full sunlight and if growing level can add a pot of color to your interest. Switch other your plants seasoning is great a way to keep your front door look fresh and turn with a seasoning